I think what makes the MBA outstanding at Copenhagen Business School, that is all of it together. That means the students that are enrolled, we are selecting those that fit best into the classroom, thereby they are interacting and learning from each other. The professors that I am picking to teach at the EMBA program, I try to do the best, of course, to get the best teachers to teach at the MBA program. And that means that the interaction between the faculty, the professors and the students, that makes the students progress both in their career and in their knowledge about running a business. At the Copenhagen EMBA, we think it's very important that students and professors, they are interacting. That means that the professors, they are talking about real life cases, real life experiences, and thereby starting a discussion in the classroom. And the students, they are interacting, so it's very dynamic teaching at CBS, where professors and students, they are talking about real cases, real life activities, real life business cases. And thereby we all learn. I mean, the professors actually learn from what the students tell the teachers, the professors, but of course the students, they learn the most and they learn from the professors, but they definitely also learn from each other, because perhaps you know something and the other guy in the room, he also knows something, and then you can benefit from that, both of you. First of all, it's a major career boost to get a Copenhagen Business School EMBA. That is because you increase your knowledge about running a business, about management in a company. And you do that both via the cases that we talk about in class, but of course also from learning from everybody else. And the firms where the students are coming from, they definitely also benefit from day one. And that is because the cases we are doing, the projects the students are writing, they are dealing with the company. So both the students, they benefit from day one, and the firms, they benefit from day one. At least that's the goal. And finally, why should you choose to take an EMBA at Copenhagen Business School? There are a number of reasons. First of all, I think it is important to mention that we have the triple accreditation as one of the few business schools in the world, actually. And that means that somebody from the outside, they have evaluated our EMBA and they have said, yes, that is actually good enough. Secondly, by taking a Copenhagen EMBA, you boost your career lifelong. And why is that? That is, of course, because you remember, hopefully, all the things that we have been talking about in class, but also due to the networking. So you will be networking, you will have contacts in the community afterwards, but also Copenhagen Business School offers a range of possibilities to stay in touch with academia, to stay in touch with Copenhagen Business School. We have master classes, we have the alumni organization, and I actually think that these are all very good reasons why you should choose to study an EMBA at Copenhagen Business School.